Every technological revolution has profoundly changed how we work, how we live, and how we earn a living. From the dawn of the industrial age to the digital explosion, jobs have evolved, shifted, and sometimes vanished. But today, we stand on the precipice of a revolution that feels different, distinct, even unsettling. Today, we confront the rise of artificial intelligence. Let's look back for a moment. The first industrial machines, like the steam engine and the power loom, were designed to augment and often replace brute human muscle. Tasks that required immense physical strength or repetitive manual labour became the domain of tireless machinery. Farmers saw their fields tilled by tractors. Craftsmen saw their workshops transform into factories. It was a physical revolution, freeing humans from the most arduous bodily toil. Then came the computer age. These incredible machines replaced calculation. Complex mathematical problems, intricate accounting ledgers, vast databases, all became the dominion of silicon chips and algorithms. Human data entry clerks, bookkeepers, and statisticians saw their roles fundamentally change, shifting from pure calculation to analysis, oversight, and problem solving. This was a mental revolution, automating the most repetitive cognitive tasks. But AI is different, radically different. While past revolutions replaced muscle and calculation, artificial intelligence replaces decision-making. This isn't just about crunching numbers faster or lifting heavier loads. This is about replicating and often surpassing the very cognitive processes we once believed were uniquely human. Think about what decision-making entails: pattern recognition, inference, judgment, strategy, creativity, even intuition. AI systems, through sophisticated algorithms and vast datasets, are learning to perceive patterns, draw conclusions, strategize in complex environments, and even generate novel outputs. They're not just executing instructions, they're interpreting context and making choices based on their learned understanding. This fundamental shift challenges the very core of what we define as intellectual work. This means that tasks once thought uniquely human can now be automated. Let's consider a few key examples. Writing. From drafting marketing copy and composing email responses to generating news summaries and even penning creative prose, AI language models are demonstrating astonishing capabilities. They can adapt tone, style, and content to specific audiences, often producing text that is indistinguishable from human-written work. Programming. AI tools are increasingly assisting developers, writing boilerplate code, debugging errors, suggesting optimizations, and even translating natural language requests into functional programs. While human programmers are still essential, the nature of their work is evolving from pure coding to higher-level design, oversight, and problem-solving. And analysis. Financial analysts, medical diagnosticians, market researchers, legal professionals. Anyone whose job involves sifting through vast amounts of information to identify trends, predict outcomes, or draw conclusions is now seeing AI tools accelerate and enhance their work. AI can identify complex correlations in seconds that would take human experts months or even years to uncover. This unprecedented capability means the economy might change faster than societies can adapt. Previous technological shifts often unfolded over generations, allowing educational systems, social structures, and labour markets time to gradually adjust. Children growing up in agricultural societies could learn factory skills. The grandchildren of factory workers could learn computer programming. But AI's advance is happening at an exponential pace. Skills that are highly valued today could be partially or fully automated within a few years, not decades. This rapid transformation poses immense challenges for education systems, which must equip future generations with skills that are AI-resistant or AI complementary. It also places a heavy burden on existing workforces, necessitating continuous learning, retraining, and a fundamental rethink of career pathways. The social implications, from income inequality to mental health impacts of job insecurity, are profound and require urgent consideration. This rapid evolution means some industries will explode, fueled by AI's capabilities and the new services it enables. Think of AI development itself, data science, ethical AI regulation, prompt engineering, and new forms of human-AI collaboration that create previously unimaginable products and services. Innovation will accelerate. Conversely, others may shrink dramatically or even disappear. Roles that are highly repetitive, purely data-driven, or involve predictable decision-making are most vulnerable. This isn't necessarily a doomsday scenario, but a call for proactive transformation. The economic landscape will be reshaped with new winners and losers, new opportunities and new challenges emerging at a speed we've never witnessed. It demands adaptability, foresight, and a willingness to embrace change at every level of society. The question then isn't whether AI will reshape work. That much is certain. The more pressing, more profound question is, how fast? And how will we, as individuals, as societies, and as a global community, respond to this unprecedented acceleration? Understanding this impact, navigating its complexities, and shaping its future is perhaps the most critical task of our generation.